Welcome. This is Jeremy Schubel, Business Software Solutions Lead with VSS. Thank you for joining us today as we discuss Ansible automation with DevOps.
Your environment is complex and headed to hybrid if it isn't that you're there already. But when you look at the wide variety of DevOps tools available and the tools currently being used by your systems administration, development, and network teams, how can you start to change the way your teams interact across the whole system? The answer, you need a tool that can act as the glue layer, automating across services and applications no matter where you are. One person on your team learns how to do something. They can capture the solution in an Ansible playbook and enable everyone else to use it.
Ansible includes dozens of modules to support a wide variety of software and application vendors, including what you see here. This is a great quote from a small startup in London called FatMap. Using Ansible, we've been able to cut down certain processes from 17 hours to 3 minutes. Ansible is unquantifiable in its benefits. Using Ansible Tower's built-in login integrations, you can push the operational data describing your infrastructure from Ansible Tower directly into Splunk. This allows you to run Splunk queries on this data and correlate it with other data sources for a comprehensive view into DevOps-driven build pipeline. Consider an example of where your ops team is using Ansible Tower for configuration management and application deployment, and the Splunk platform is being used to analyze machine data for an on-premise and public cloud infrastructure. What if you can access all your Ansible data in the Splunk platform? What new insight could you gain about your deployment and process? The Ansible Tower integration will give you the ability to provide real-time operational visibility into your deployments. Who launched a job? What credentials were used? When did the job complete and how long did it take? What changed or what was not changed in your environment? Machine data provided by Ansible Tower into the Splunk platform enables greater control and visibility. The Splunk platform will collect, analyze, and act upon Ansible Tower data generated by your infrastructure and business application delivery pipeline. Through analyzing this data, it becomes easier to identify correlation between deployments and hosts. Teams using Ansible Tower in combination with Splunk will find many other ways to leverage this new data set with their Splunk platform. Ansible is the simplest way to deploy your applications. It gives you the power to deploy multi-tier applications reliably and consistently, all from one common framework. You can configure needed services as well as push application artifacts from one common system, rather than writing custom code to automate your systems. Your team writes simple task descriptions that even the newest team member can understand on first read, saving not only upfront costs, but making it easier to react to change over time. Ansible allows you to write playbooks that are a description of the desired state of the system, which are usually kept in source control. Ansible then does the hard work of getting systems to that state no matter what their current state is. Playbooks make your installation, upgrades, and day-to-day management repeatable and reliable. Playbooks are simple to write and maintain. Most users become productive with Ansible only after a few hours. Ansible uses the same tools you're likely using on your daily basis. Playbooks are written in a natural language so it's very easy to evolve and edit. Thanks to its ageless design, Ansible can be introduced into your environment without any bootstrapping of remote systems or opening any additional ports. Not only does this eliminate managing the management, but system resource utilization is also dramatically improved. Leveraging one giant toolbox, shipping with over 1,300 modules in its core distribution, Ansible provides a vast library of building blocks for managing all kinds of IT tasks and network software. With Ansible Galaxy, chances are there are community contributed roles that can help you get started even faster. Ansible can orchestrate zero downtime, rolling updates trivially, ensuring that you can update your application in production without users ever noticing. For more information around Ansible automation with DevOps tools, feel free to contact me, Jeremy Schubel, or your VSS account executive.